We had to make some very painful decisions, and I believe that looking at the benefits of Cypriots and all the depositors of this age and the next, we took the less painful one. It wasn't an easy decision, but we believe it was the best one under these circumstances.
That deal, though, also affects some of the 3,500 British military personnel on the island. One contacted Sky News, saying soldiers based there and some posted right now in Afghanistan could lose out. He didn't want to be named, but wrote, "Service personnel have no way of reaching their money, and all electronic transfers have been barred by the Cyprus banks. Service personnel and their families are furious, but can do nothing."
The view is that the timing was cynical. It's a long weekend here. Electronic banking links have been closed. Monday's a public holiday. The banks don't reopen until Tuesday. When they do, there'll be queues of people on the pavement waiting to get their money out. Tempers will get frayed. Those frayed tempers could well lead to violence.
Many people had already taken their savings out of Cypriot banks, but there will still be a backlash. It will play out on the streets here, but reverberate throughout the Eurozone. Tom Parmenter, Sky News.